Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's episode is going to be all about what makes us a little bit different from other job boards, job platforms, and hiring services. Let's get into it. One thing that makes different from other platforms, job boards, or even hiring services is that we're not a resume focused company. And what that means is we focus more on your skills, abilities, attributes, qualities, both soft skills, hard skills, all that matters into getting you a job that makes sense for you. For example, let's say you are a college student who just graduated and you put yourself through college by working in retail or working in food service. Now what does is we say, okay, we don't want to know about where you worked. We want to know what you learned there and what skills you gained that transfer into another job opportunity. And that's what we do here. We focus on those skills, we focus on those abilities, and we give you an opportunity to land entry-level jobs without focusing on your work history. So one thing that makes it different is the fact that we only have real 100% verified jobs on the platform. So if you want to say they're organic, if you're an organic person, if you want to say that they're vegan jobs, we can say that. Whatever floats your boat, but just know that they are 100% real. We cut out all the BS there. So it's only real jobs on our platform, and that gives you a lot more comfort knowing that when you do act on a job opportunity, someone's going to be there on the other end. So the third thing that makes us different from other services or hiring platforms is the fact that you'll always know where you stand in the application process in the app. So what I mean by that is most of the time when you guys are sending out your applications and crossing your fingers and waiting for that perfect little response back saying, we'd like to interview you, and then 2 weeks, a month, maybe even 2 months go by and you still haven't heard anything and you're wondering, did they get my application? Am I still being considered? Am I gonna hear back? Can I just get denied so I even know where I'm Can I just get denied so I know where I stand? You don't have to worry about all of that on the app because you'll always know where you stand in the applicant management loop. And that's gonna show you when you're gonna have an interview scheduled, when your documentation is needing to be signed. When you check the applicant management loop, you'll always know where you stand in the process of all of your job offers. The fourth thing that makes us different from any other hiring platform is that we cut out the middleman. And we cut out the middleman for you and keeping you in mind. We put talent first, so that means we want talent to make the most out of their wages and get the most out of the money that's being offered through that job opportunity. The last thing that makes it different is your ability to have one-on-one personal coaching sessions with retired professionals who have been in your industry of interest or field right on the app. You can also get education based on what you're interested in our education center. And through the education center and coaching center, you're given even more resources and tools to make your career goals a reality. So I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below any resources or tools you guys have for landing jobs to help other job seekers like you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that little notification bell to make sure you get updated with all of our new videos.
Just job searching, job matching, making it right out here because all the job boards suck at. Okay.